JGMAKER Magic 3D Printer DIY Kit with filament runout detection sensor and resume print metal-based 3D printers for Hobbist education. 220x220x250mm 110 VUS plug. Print size 220x220x250mm 8.6x 9.8. Industrial grade silicone wire and the power supply built into the base make this machine safe and durable. Filament runout detection. The printer will warn you when it runs out of filament or there is a problem pulling filament from the roll. You will have the opportunity to resolve the issue and continue printing. SD card hot plug-in. If for any reason you happen to remove the SD card during the printing process, by reinserting the SD card you can continue printing. Stability. The sturdy metal base and side filament holder make it easy to change the filament without disturbing the printing process. Easy to assemble. With only 8 mostly assembled modules to combine, total assembly of the machine can typically be completed in under 2 hours.